Whenever I get something new, like a car, a phone, or a kid, one of the best parts is getting to accessorize it. Obviously, right now the big talk is the new iPhone 17 line, and with the right accessories, you can make your sizable investment even better. Take the displays on the iPhone 17 models. Apple made it even better this year by making it more scratch resistant and cutting down on glare. But it's still glass, and it will still cost you $379 on the 17 Pro Max if it does end up breaking. My sponsor, ESR, has its latest screen protectors out there that give you added protection while also trying to boost the performance. The ESR Armorite Pro Edition is made by Corning, the same company Apple uses for its glass. These will absorb impacts, keeping your screen safe. They offer up to 10 times the impact resistance of generic screen protectors. ESR has such an easy application process too. I remember the times of yore, people would bring me their phones, or I guess even like their iPods, to have me to try to install them properly. Now, literally anyone can do it in less than 30 seconds in 2 steps. You place the phone in the Ultra Fit tray, pull the tab, and you're done. It even removes the dust and hair, which is always my problem. My tip was to install screen protectors in the bathroom with the shower running because the steam would help reduce dust and hair that would get on there. Now I don't have to do that. I will say too, you guys can all take these sponsored videos for what they're worth, but I legit use these screen protectors. Just last night, my brother-in-law asked what screen protector to get, and I sent him these exact ones for his 17 Pro. They're such a solid balance of affordability and reliability. And now that they have this stupid fast application process, it's a no-brainer. If you want something more protective to cover the whole phone, perhaps at a lower price than the big brand, you can check out the ESR Cyber Tough case. This case exceeds the military drop test standard by 7 times, withstanding impact from up to 23 feet. It's actually made of 3 layers of material, impact-resisting inner layers with a textured hard outer shell. The updated stash stand gives you a metal edge to protect that camera bump, as well as a versatile stand that works in multiple orientations. You could prop it up to view notes or your Twitter feed, or turn it sideways and watch a really good YouTube channel, for example. Fun fact, it also doesn't wobble, it lays perfectly flat on the table. Of course, it also supports MagSafe with ultra-strong magnets and 1500 G of pull strength, and most other cases are around 700. While the Cyber Tough case is probably the most rugged, if I am honest, I kind of like ESR's other cases better. There is the classic Hyrbid case, which still covers the camera bump to prevent any of the aluminum from scratching, and it also highlights the color so brilliantly. I like how it perfectly positions the Apple logo on the back, but it doesn't have like the big white rectangle there. Then there is the soft case. If anyone has seen any of my older ESR spots, you know I really like these. They are so soft to the touch, even softer than Apple's, but they also have the stash stand and stronger magnets built into them. Plus this plush inner lining and full coverage on the camera plateau. And you get a cover for the camera control, and these last 2 have lanyard anchors on them. My favorite piece of kit though is the chargers. I think it's one of the most important things because without a good charger, your phone ends up dead and then it's useless. Or maybe it's charged, but improper heating results in a damaged battery and therefore a shorter lifespan of your phone. ESR has a brand new lineup of Qi 2.2 chargers that can deliver up to 25 watts of power to iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 devices. Normally, more power would be more heat, but thanks to ESR's Cryo Boost technology, temperature can be dropped by nearly 7 degrees. With a lower temperature, it can keep the charging speed elevated and ultimately charge your phone faster and more efficiently. ESR actually says the Cryo Boost charger is so efficient, it's as fast as a wired 35-watt charger, 50% in only 25 minutes. The 3-in-1 has a removable fast charge Apple Watch puck on the back and an AirPods charger at the bottom. I love being able to get as fast as charged as possible while not overheating, and I even get to use it in standby mode. There's a travel and car charger coming too, and yeah, that's going to be on my recommendation list. If you're interested in any of these new accessories, you can find them at the link below in the description. Try them out today and upgrade your iPhone experience. Thanks again to ESR for sponsoring this video.